Rose water is often hailed as a miraculous product for both hair and skin. It's been used for centuries and for good reason. One of the most appealing benefits is its natural ability to hydrate. And then you can make the skin more flowers out like a sponge. Is like you want to get more flowers out right now. And then kind of, the middle of the middle that's like the refreshing. When it comes to skincare, rose water is a game changer for reducing redness and irritation. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a soothing option for sensitive skin types. Even an ancient queen like Cleopatra might have used it to calm her complexion after a long day of ruling. For those plagued by acne, rosewater offers relief by acting as a gentle astringent. This means it can help to close pores and reduce oil production. Less oil means fewer breakouts, and that is something that we can all get behind. And if anti-aging is your focus, rosewater can contribute to slowing down the clock. Loaded with antioxidants, it's like a shield that protects your skin from the damage of everyday pollutants. If you take a boost and you can't enter anything for you, and you might kind of switching gears to hair, rosewater can breathe new life into tired, dull locks. Its hydrating properties work just as well on hair as they do on skin. Think of it as a spa treatment in a spray bottle, and your hair participates willingly. For those battling with frizz, rosewater can help tame those unwieldy strands. It acts as a natural conditioner, leaving hair feeling softer and more manageable. And try it as a rinse after shampooing and notice the difference almost immediately. Dandruff, not anymore. Rosewater's natural anti-inflammatory properties also extend to your scalp. Regularly applying it to your roots can lead to noticeable reductions in dandruff. A lifesaver, especially when dark clothing is involved. Aside from functional benefits, rosewater also leaves your hair smelling heavenly. An added bonus: who doesn't want to smell like a rose garden? Spritz some throughout the day for a subtle and soothing fragrance uplift. Crafting your own rosewater at home is surprisingly simple and easy on your wallet. Boil fresh rose petals in water, then strain and cool. Voila, you've got pure rose water with none of the commercial preservatives. An added perk, rose water is incredibly versatile. Use it as a facial toner, hair rinse, or even mixed into skincare products. Its multifunctional nature is a dream come true for anyone who appreciates a minimalist beauty routine. And financially speaking, rosewater is a low-cost investment with high-value returns. Why spend hundreds on elaborate beauty products when this humble ingredient can achieve so much? It's like discovering a secret, encouraged only by those in the know. Incorporating rosewater into your daily routine could be the simple yet effective upgrade you need. Whether you're in Portland like me or anywhere else, its benefits are universal. And looking and feeling natural has never been this effortless